Hello there. This is my other of a team of young ones. Nice one, young ones amongst them lot. That's their loft. Very nice young ones amongst them. I'm beginning to think there's some better ones than what I've got now in my other team. My other ones got overfed yesterday, and guess what? That's where they're sitting. They won't sit there tomorrow. Probably won't get fed tonight now. Stuff them. Tell them get on with it. I got half of them in and half it out. But these ones, these are happy. Just for a bit of curiosity. Sometimes when the birds won't go in, what causes them they don't want to go in the shed? Because I know obviously if there's cats around then that's going to scare them, but would it mean you got problems in your loft or anything like that? Somebody drop me any comments, I'd be more grateful. Thanks. Cheers, catch you later, bye.